subscriber, welcome back to my channel, guys. Today I'm going to make a pineapple baked chicken, and I'm going to do some fried rice as well. So I have my chicken cut up, wash off with some vinegar, and I have my season prep where I have my scallion, my onion, my thyme, my garlic, and my ginger. So I'm gonna go ahead and add in my season now. And I'm going to add my powdered season. So I'm gonna use my powdered season, not too much, 2 spoons of powdered season. So there you have it, guys. Just finished rubbing the season and stuff. I'm gonna cover it for it to marinate for 1 hour or even more, because the longer you put your meat to marinate, the better it is. Guys, my chicken is ready to go in the oven, so I'm putting them in the file. They've been marinating for roughly 2 hours or more. So you can see they're all looking good. And we're gonna add the season, everything in it. So it's roughly 3 cloves of garlic, 1 onion, 2 stalks of scallion, piece of ginger, and just a little bit of thyme as well, and some pimento seed. Guys, this is the chicken. So, and oh, the oven is hot. We are going in the oven. So the oven is at 250. We're gonna give it 40 minutes and check back on it. Guys, the oven is so hot. Checking on the chicken. They are catching colors, guys. They are looking real good. Oh, wow. Guys, we're checking on the chicken. All catching color now. Look at that, guys. Guys, the chicken is coming out of the oven, guys. Look at it. I'm gonna make the sauce for the chicken. So I have my ketchup already poured in. I'm using the same juice from the chicken. I'm gonna add some fish and meat sauce. I'm adding 1 spoon of sugar, guys. I'm also adding the pineapple juice. Guys, this is my sauce. So I'm gonna pour it all the way over my chicken. Guys, this is my baked chicken. It's not quite finished, so I'm just putting it back in the oven for another 10 minutes, because I'm just putting on the sauce on the chicken along with the pineapple. There you have it, guys, my pineapple baked chicken. Whew. The oven is so hot, guys. I'm gonna make my fried rice now. So I'm gonna add some oil. I have garlic, scallion, bell pepper, my mixed vegetable, and my egg. I'm gonna add my garlic in, my scallion. I'm gonna saute them, guys, just to get a little bit soft. And guys, when you're making the fried rice, it's better you cook the rice from overnight. So I'm gonna spread them away, guys. I'm gonna add my egg. I'm gonna add some salt. I'm gonna mix up my egg, guys. Probably for about 2 minutes, guys. You just mix out your egg. Guys, I'm gonna add my vegetable in now. Guys, how is everyone doing today? I'm gonna add my bell pepper. Guys, I'm gonna add roughly 1 teaspoon of regular pepper, guys. I'm gonna add my rice. I'm going to add my soy sauce now, guys. I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, guys. Guys, I'm gonna add some green scallion in. And this is how I make my fried rice, guys. Guys, this is my pineapple baked chicken and my fried rice. If you like this video, guys, please give this video a thumbs up. And if you are new to my channel as well, please consider subscribing to my channel.